Are you ready for the ultimate smartphone experience? The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 promises to be a game-changer for personalization. Not only does it feature a stunning 6.7-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED display, but it also boasts a powerful 50 megapixels camera and the latest Android 13, ensuring the best possible user experience. Stay tuned for more exciting details.
Anakin, stay where you are. You'll be safe there.
Design and display. Samsung is taking personalization to the next level with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Z Flip lineup has established a design philosophy that emphasizes customization and self-expression. Samsung's bespoke studio allows you to mix and match various colors for the top and bottom rear panel, as well as the main frame of the phone, to create a device that truly reflects your personality. This personalized design is complemented by a sleek and compact build that makes the phone easy to handle when both folded and unfolded. One exciting rumor that's been circulating about the Z Flip 5 is that it might feature a redesigned hinge with a water drop hinge, similar to the Oppo Find N2 and Oppo Find N2 Flip. This could eliminate the display's crease, making for an even more seamless user experience. Speaking of the display, while there are no concrete details yet, we expect the Z Flip 5 to feature an excellent 6.7-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED display with 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution, a screen sharpness of 425 ppi, HDR10 plus support, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung's AMOLED displays are always top-notch, and we expect nothing less for the Z Flip 5. But that's not all. The Z Flip 5 may also come with a larger external display with a rectangular aspect ratio, making it even more useful for everyday tasks when the phone is folded. And while the crease on the main screen may still be present, we're hoping that Samsung will find a way to minimize its appearance. Curious about how much battery life the new Galaxy Z Flip 5 can hold in such a compact design? Well, you might be surprised. Stick around for more details on this innovative smartphone's dual-cell battery and lightning-fast charging speeds.
Oh, come here.
Camera. Picture this. You're on a breathtaking vacation, soaking in the scenery and ready to capture it all with your trusty smartphone camera. But as you reach for your phone, you realize that the camera system is just okay. Nothing to write home about. That's where the Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes in. With rumors swirling about a major camera upgrade, we can only hope that Samsung will deliver on its promises. Early rumors suggest that the Z Fold 5 will boast a triple camera setup, led by a powerful 50 megapixels main camera with a Samsung ISO-CELA GN3 sensor, promising superior dynamics and low light sensitivity. While the other two cameras are shrouded in secrecy, we can only imagine they will be ultra-wide and possibly telephoto. And we can only hope that a similar camera loadout will make it to the Z Flip 5. So whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or snapping selfies with your friends, get ready to experience a whole new level of mobile photography with the Galaxy Z Flip 5.
Yes, I said it.
Battery life and charging. When it comes to the battery life of the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 5, we can't help but wonder, how much juice can a phone this compact really hold? Well, according to rumors, we should expect a dual-cell battery similar in size to its predecessor, the Z Flip 4, which boasted a 3,700 mAh capacity. And while that may not sound like a lot, don't underestimate the power of efficiency. The Z Flip 4 passed rigorous battery tests with flying colors, outlasting even the mighty Galaxy S22 in video streaming and gaming. In addition, the Z Flip 5 should retain the lightning-fast 25 watts charging speeds we saw on its predecessor. So whether you're a power user or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has got you covered. Are you excited about the upcoming Samsung Z Flip 5? Well, we've got some juicy details for you. While official information about its hardware is still under wraps, we can make some educated guesses based on its predecessor, the Z Flip 4. Keep watching for more details on what to expect from the Z Flip 5's hardware and specs, including potential storage options and processing power. If you're as excited as we are about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, then you won't want to miss out on any updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest news and details about this upcoming device. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on the fun.
Have to try.
Features and software. The highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 5 is set to wow smartphone enthusiasts with its top-of-the-line software. Powered by the future of Samsung's One UI interface, the Z Flip 5 will run on the latest Android 13 platform, offering users a seamless and efficient experience. However, due to its limited display of real estate, we don't expect the exclusive multitasking features of the Z Fold series to make an appearance on the Z Flip 5. But fear not, as Samsung's latest software, One UI 5.1, offers some exciting new features that will elevate your smartphone experience. Released to millions of Galaxy phones in early February, One UI 5.1 boasts minor improvements that enhance your phone's overall performance. Meanwhile, One UI 5 was a major update, offering a customizable lock screen, improved privacy, and a faster interface that outperformed its predecessor, One UI 4. With its compact design and powerful features, this phone is sure to impress. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming your favorite content, or snapping stunning photos, the Z Flip 5 will provide a smooth and snappy experience that will keep you coming back for more.
This is interesting. It's interesting.
Hardware and specs. While no official information has been released about the hardware the Z Flip 5 will run on, we can make some educated guesses based on its predecessor, the Z Flip 4. The Z Flip 4 boasts the impressive Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 chipset and a whopping 8 GB of RAM. This leads us to believe that the Z Flip 5 will run on the current Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 2 platform, promising even more power and speed. Additionally, last year, Samsung upped the ante with a 512 GB storage option for the Z Flip. As such, we expect this trend to continue with the Z Flip 5, with storage options potentially ranging from 128 GB to 512 GB. The Z Flip 5 is sure to wow users. Samsung is rumored to be taking the foldable phone experience to new heights with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. With a water drop-shaped hinge and 2 OLED displays, the device promises to be silky smooth. The company is also considering embedding the S Pen, making it a versatile tool for creatives. Keep an eye out for more details on the Galaxy Z Roll 5G leaks in our next video.